Good afternoon, students. Today we study lecture 5 organic chemistry reactions of phenol. Reactions of phenol, electrophilic substitution reactions. First is nitration. A. Phenols when react with dilute nitric acid gives a mixture of ortho and para nitrophenol. So you are getting on nitration, you are getting ortho and para nitrophenol. Why we are getting ortho and para nitrophenol? We have studied in last lecture why we are having why phenol is ortho para directing. We have drawn the resonance structures and there we have seen why ortho and para position is preferred for nitration, that is electrophilic substitution. Why it is taking place? Because in ortho and para position there is negative charge is there, and so electrophile E plus will attack on ortho and para position. So phenols when react with dilute nitric acid give mixture of ortho and para nitrophenol. So ortho position phenol is there, in ortho position nitro group is there, so ortho nitrophenol. Here in phenol para position, that is 1,4 position, nitro group is there, so para nitrophenol. When phenol is treated with concentrated nitric acid, picric acid is formed. So when phenol is treated with concentrated, there it was with dilute, now it is with concentrated nitric acid, picric acid is formed. Phenol on benzene ring OH, phenol concentrated nitric acid, you are getting picric acid. Picric acid is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Phenol is there. From phenol, second position nitro group, fourth position nitro group, and sixth position nitro group. So it is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Picric acid is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. That means phenol with concentrated nitric acid, picric acid is obtained, or 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is obtained. Now uses of picric acid. Picric acid is a dye. Dye means dye. What is a dye? It is a compound which adhere to the fabric in such a way that it is passed to normal washing. That means dye is used to give color to the fabric, that is to cloths we are using the dye. It is also used to make explosives. So it is also used to make explosives, and in the lab it is used to make derivatives. So with different picric derivatives may make from picric acid. So it is having three uses. It is a dye, it is also used as explosive, and is also used to make derivatives. Next, halogenation. Second reaction is halogenation. When phenol reacts with bromine water, it gives 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Phenol is there on benzene ring OH, phenol plus bromine water H2O, then you are getting 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Phenol is there on benzene ring OH, phenol from benzene ring, that point is 1, then 2 at 2 position bromine is there, and 4 position bromine is there, and 6 position bromine is there. So 2,4,6 tribromophenol and HBr. Next, when phenol is halogenated in presence of non-polar solvent like CS2, that is CS2 is carbon disulfide, or CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, we are getting mixture of ortho and para bromophenol is obtained. So phenol on bromination with in the presence of CS2 carbon disulfide oblique carbon tetrachloride at 0 degree centigrade, you are getting orthobromophenol. So in phenol is there, in ortho position bromine is there, so orthobromophenol. Next phenol is there, and in para position bromine is there, so parabromophenol. Means if when bromine water is used, you get 2,4,6 tribromophenol, but if you are in presence of water, in place of water if you are using CS2 carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride, you are getting mixture of ortho and parabromophenol. Next reaction is sulfonation. When phenol is treated with concentrated H2SO4 at 20 degree centigrade, orthophenol sulfonic acid is formed. If temperature is at 100 degree centigrade, paraphenol sulfonic acid is obtained as main product. So in the middle you are seeing phenol is there. On the right side there is arrow there. The temperature is 20 degree centigrade. In the presence of sulfuric acid, you are getting orthophenol sulfonic acid. Phenol is there in ortho position. Sulfonic acid SO3H is sulfonic acid group. So it is orthophenol sulfonic acid. On the left side there is sulfuric acid, arrow is there, below arrow 100 degree centigrade is there, on benzene ring OH, that is phenol, and in para position we are having sulfonic acid group, that is SO3H is the sulfonic acid group. So it is para phenol sulfonic acid. Para position is 1,4 position. So paraphenol sulfonic acid. 1,2 position is orthophenol sulfonic acid. That means depending upon the temperature, sulfonation takes place. So if 20 degrees there, then orthophenol sulfonic acid. If 100 degrees there, then paraphenol sulfonic acid is formed. Next, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. When phenol is treated with chloroform in presence of base, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and parahydroxybenzaldehyde is formed. This is known as Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So in Riemann-Tiemann reaction, there are two reactions. First is when phenol is treated with chloroform. CHCl3 is chloroform. In the presence of base NaOH, we are getting orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and parahydroxybenzaldehyde. So your phenol on the benzene ring OH plus CHCl3 is chloroform, and in the presence of base means aqueous NaOH. NaOH is prepared in water, and then orthohydroxybenzaldehyde product is the main product. So in benzene ring O is there, it is called phenol. In ortho position aldehyde group is there, CHO is aldehyde. So orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, on the benzene aldehyde is present, so benzaldehyde, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is formed. This is the major product, and here benzene ring is there, OH is there, phenol is there. In para position aldehyde group, on benzene ring aldehyde, so benzaldehyde, you are getting parahydroxybenzaldehyde. This is the minor product. So in Riemann-Tiemann reaction, if phenol is reacting with chloroform in presence of aqueous NaOH, then you are getting orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and parahydroxybenzaldehyde. This also Riemann-Tiemann reaction. When phenol is treated with carbon tetrachloride, salicylic acid is formed. There it was chloroform, here it is carbon tetrachloride. Here again phenol CCl4 carbon tetrachloride in presence of base aqueous NaOH, you are getting salicylic acid. What is salicylic acid? On phenol is OH, in ortho position COOH group is there, then it is known as salicylic acid. Plus on benzene ring OH and COH, parahydroxybenzoic acid. This is parahydroxybenzoic acid is formed, and salicylic acid is the major product. So in benzene ring in ortho position, if OH and COH group is there, then it is known as salicylic acid, and in para position OH COH, that is parahydroxybenzoic acid is formed. So Riemann-Tiemann reaction we are having 2A and B. In A, chloroform is used, and in the B, CCl4 is used. So in CCl4 is used, salicylic acid is formed, and there orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and parahydroxybenzaldehyde is formed. Both are the Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Thank you.